Demonstration for the GDS function generator 1025. You can see that this is the function generator, this is the CRO, and this is the computer setup to controlling the GDS function generator and for the writing of the arbitrary waveforms. Now I have connected both of the channels at the channel 1 and the channel 2 on the CRO. You can see the both of the waveform of the channel 1 and 2 at a time. Now press shift button on the GDS function generator and press OK, and you can see that the waveform on the CRO will come on the both of the channels. Now you can see that the frequency selection will come on the GDS function generator. Press shift and then right arrow, then set the waveform frequency on 10 kilohertz and shift press करें और उसके बाद channel 2, then the frequency you can see that the 15 kilohertz. Now adjust the level of the triggering and you can see that the waveforms of the both of the channels comes on the CRO. Now I have control the GDS function generator through the software. On the PC you can see that this is the icon and this is the software. Now select the COM port and connect. This is the channel 1 control panel and this is the channel 2 control panel. Now I have entered 10,000, that is the channel for the channel 1, and 15 kilohertz and the channel 2, and the amplitude of the channel 1 is 10 volt. You can see that the variation on the output. Then I have set the level of the voltage control knob, and now for the channel 2 I have set the voltage of the channel 2. You can see that the both of the variation on the CRO. Now if you want to see the wave function of the counter, then you have to put any one of the channel on the GDS function generator external triggering point in and press the page down till you can see the F is equal to, you can see that the channel 1 frequency comes on the external counter and the frequency will comes on the channel 1, that is the 10 kilohertz. If you want the same function on the software, then press the extended function tab and press the off button. You can see that the frequency of the channel 1 will comes on the measurement functions. If you want to see the duty cycle, then select duty cycle, it will show the duty cycle. And if you want to see the sweep function, then you have to select channel. For that I have set the channel 1, and here you can see that the starting frequency of the sweep function is 1 kilohertz and the end frequency is 10 kilohertz and the sweep time is 10 seconds. You can see that here starting frequency of the 1 kilohertz goes to till the 10 kilohertz. This is the sweep function. And if you want to write the arbitrary waveform in the GDS function generator, then in the software panel goes to the arbitrary tab and select the waveform you want to select and get waveform. You have to press this one and now select 0 and enter 50 because I want to increase the frequency, then it will increase the frequency. Press the multiple times, then it will goes to the 2047 locations and transfer this frequency to this panel by amplitude. Now select the option for the multiplexer option, that is the multiply, and if you press the math button, then you can see that the multiplexing waveform comes display on the LCD screen. And if you want to write this frequency waveform on in the GDS function generator, then you have to select the location. I have selected the channel 1 location and press the right button. You can see that the writing process goes and it is complete. Now if in the control panel, if I select the channel 1 and you can select the arbitrary waveform 1, you can see that the same waveform comes here. This is the waveform. This is the same waveform you have made in the software. So this is the small demonstration of the GDS function generator 1025.